Hi, everyone. Time for another market analysis. My name is JR. Today's Sunday, April 5th, 2015, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'd like to wish everyone a happy holidays. I hope everyone had a great holiday weekend. And here are the technicals. I'll point out the job creation for Friday was terrible. Unemployment rate stood flat at 5.5 and non-farm employment. Basically, we created 126,000 jobs. We expected at least 246,000. So a little bit better than half of what we expected. But, I mean, overall, terrible numbers. So much for the recovery, right? Stock market still hitting record highs, though. So anyway, here's the weekly chart here for gold. So gold recently saw a high here at 1300, 1307. Began a downtrend but did not create another low. Broke this downtrend here, and it seems like the market wants to continue to go higher. This is your support. This is your resistance zones here. So if you're looking to create another low, it would have to happen here, right? And create another low. I also want to point out that this might be a head and shoulders. If this is a head and shoulders, then not necessarily a bearish formation until it breaks. But if it does break this level here, if we find some resistance here and it comes back down to the 1145 range, that could be the shoulder break. And of course, you're going to see a big move to the downside. Again, overall, this is a not bearish until it happens. So if it breaks, if it holds here, then the market can continue to go higher. If it doesn't, again, you would probably target around 1050 or so minimum. That's that head and shoulders right here. Daily chart looking really robust. Again, nice break through the trend through this channel. There's the channel. Big break here. I was hoping to come down over here. That would have been a nice level to buy and seeing if this thing could go higher. Now, remember, this is the big head and shoulders here, and that's a possible head and shoulders. But in the same respects here, this is what we're building here, an inverted head and shoulders on the smaller time frames. And this head and shoulders seems to be done. So if we see a break here, then we'd expect to see a minimum size move of at least this big. So we would look to target the high 1200s, maybe 1280 to 1290, right? So that's a big break right here. I'd like to see if this breaks. If this breaks, then good momentum trade here to continue to take this to at least the 1270, 1280, 1290 zone, okay? That's your daily chart here on gold. Silver weekly also broke through this trend. Stochastics are still pointing higher, so further upside is possible. Trading sideways for now. A break above this level here to 1750 would most likely send this to the mid 18, and most likely this will test the 18.5 range again. Okay, a break through this level here. Okay, and a close above this level here, the 1830. A close above this level would be very solid. A break above this level here would be also very, very positive. You saw the move above the 20-day moving average, below it. Now it's time to get up. Let's see if it happens. If it does, on this weekly chart, this could be a serious game changer. This market could easily test this $21 range. Now look at this on the short term, right? So this is a confluence. Phenomenal time to short if you think this market is going to create another low. But that would be your sell zone here. This level here. If it breaks above this thing could rally pretty hard to at least the $24 range. And again, that's when you'll see that the bull market will start. Right? So again, now the 20-day moving average pointing at 3 o'clock, maybe a bit higher, is starting a curve. So that's what we want to see. But this is also a triangle, so a break below this could send this market to at least a $13 range. So again, a break below this key level here would be definitely no bueno here. 1550 really solid area of support here. Again, this market cannot fall below, especially when we're seeing a bit of a triangle here at the bottom of a trend. This could be a continuation, and this market could go further down. A break above this, maybe you'll find some resistance over here, maybe come back down, and maybe retrace to this level here and then continue to go higher, right? A lot of scenarios that can happen, but again, this is a big level here. If we break this level here, then the bull market might that might be the beginning of the bull market. That's the weekly chart. Daily chart. Let's erase some of these lines here. The daily chart, I pointed this out here. You had a nice wedge, broke the wedge, market continued to go higher, testing the 20-day moving average for support. A break of this level here, just like gold, we break this level here, 1750. This thing is most likely going to climb to the mid $18, most likely even higher, okay? But key level here, big level here, 1740. Okay, that's the daily, and that's about it. I mean, I can do the Dow Jones, but the Dow Jones really looking for some direction. Right now, it is finding some direction here at this level here. A break below this level will most likely bring this down to at least a 16.5, 16,000. But again, that would probably be a break from here, a break of 17.5. And within the last couple of days, we've tested it a few times. So if this is going to break, it'll probably this area right here will probably be a good time to short. But again, we still have to respect this trend line here. This market can easily come from here and then just continue to go higher. Do something like this and go higher. We are testing this trend line here, so we'll see what happens. But a break below this could send this thing down easily to this area here. All right, to this 16,600 level. All right, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys next week. Bye bye.